I just got a package from L'Oreal. Woo! We're going to see the Rangers game. I just got a package from L'Oreal. Some new makeup items from the Friends and Family sale. It's nice to have a plug. So let's unbox what I got. I got 3 things. YSL Couture Mini Clutch Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, I got their Candy Glaze. This was a really good deal. I could not pass this up. And then IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation. Let's try these out. Let's do the foundation first. This was too good of a deal to pass up, so I am gonna try it out. If it's a loss, it did not cost that much. Right now, I am not wearing any makeup. Just, ooh, that came out faster than I thought. All right, let's just put it directly on. I spilled some. I'm just wearing concealer and eyebrows. That's really it. See if this matches. It's very, very light. It is not a foundation feeling at all. Oh, I'm just going all in. Does it look like it matches? I think it does. I got the color Tan, medium coverage, natural radiant finish. Tan Neutral 42. I think it's a match. All right, IT Cosmetics. This is perfect for the summer, spring because it felt very light to put on. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Very nice, okay. Next we're gonna do the YSL Couture Mini Clutch. Ooh, this looks fancy. Very luxurious. Ah, and these are the colors. Very neutral palette. I'm gonna start off with this one for my brow bones. Ooh, it comes apart very fast. And then I'm gonna do this one all over. It comes with a brush and this thing. And doing the more brown one on the corners. And then this shinier one all over. It's a good everyday palette. Definitely not for going out for me. Last up, Candy Glaze. I've been excited to get my hands on this. Ooh. Very heavy. This is the shade Rouge Volupte, number 7. It's very clicky. Wow, this is wet once you put it on. This is the color on me. I'm usually more tan. It's okay. I wish I got the brown, TBH. Next time, I'm gonna get that one. It's a nice color. Probably not my favorite color.
Where are we, honey?
In my bed. Thank you. Wow, my bag of goodies. This is helpful. I got an event guide, and inside there's a map of a course. And there also says my start time is at 7:50. I'm wave 3, so clear security by 6:45. Very helpful because I probably would have been late. So now I have a guideline. Dang, that means I gotta wake up at like 5:30 a.m. It says finisher apparel. That's a jinx. What if you break a leg right before? So I start here, and then I go up there. Wow. We're shopping for glasses now. This is option 1. Very femme. I'm a serious runner. I'm a track star. Option 2. Laser focus. I feel like cyborg. A variation of option 1. And option 3. Going out to rave. I like this one the best. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Big elevation up front, but as Andy said, not that much of a difference from 1 to 2. And then Brooklyn Bridge is gonna kill me right there because it goes from 38 to 136 right there. The goal on here is 150. Let's see if I'm on. They have this wall full of runners' names. Here it is. Where am I? I'm right there. I did not know they would have this here. They have this for the marathon. I didn't know it'd be here for the half. How cool! That's the end. Good luck to me. We're gonna cross the finish line no matter what. It's gonna happen. I just don't know what pace it's gonna be, but we're gonna have fun. Good morning. It's 5:42 a.m. I am on my way out. I don't start for maybe 2 hours. So I had 2 hard-boiled eggs and Cheerios for breakfast. This is the fit. This is the hair. William Wallace / Navi. Got my mace. Got my fanny pack. Got, what's that called? A granola bar, so I'm not that hungry. Because, again, I don't have 2 hours until I start, and I'm up now. Bag for this coat. Gonna make my playlist while I'm on the subway. And I'm excited to go. I'll see Andy at some point in Times Square, so that'll be probably an hour and a half into it. But see you on the course. I'm ready to run. Suck it up. I see my socks. I just dropped my bag off and now I'm shirtless. And they had a place where you can put your name tag or write your name on a name tag for when you run. And now I'm cold. It's 7 a.m. I have 50 minutes till I start. Warming up now. 7:37. My corral closes at 7:45. They had donation clothes to borrow, so it's keeping me warm. Here we go.
Doing some leisurely running Sunday morning. Here's all the fun.
Yeah. Raining now. I broke sub 2. Better than the women's half, I think. Wow, that was hard. Oh, I'm gonna practice next time. But I had a lot of fun. Thanks. I finished in, what was my time? 1:59.
29?
1:59.29. A PR from the women's half last year when I was training even harder, but I had a 2-week mess up from a great vacation. So this proves I only need to practice minimally. And if I practice a little bit more, maybe I'll do even better.
Brooklyn.
In Brooklyn. This was a great race. It was very foggy. It started to drizzle a little towards the end. And the first couple miles is all uphill. And then Central Park, you're at the bottom. You think you're at the end. And then you turn a corner, the last mile is like all uphill. The last 400. So yeah, beginning and end were hills, which sucked. But it was cool running across the Brooklyn Bridge. I got a lot of selfies. Lots of cheering. Quietest along the Brooklyn Bridge and FDR Drive. But I had a lot of fun. For not a lot of practice, I say I did pretty well. And it was always nice seeing Andy there. I see him first because of his banana suit. And we are out for St. Patty's Day. Got my Guinness in hand. Happy St. Patty's Day. I called Grandpa. He told me how to say cheers in Gaelic. Slante. I'm also wearing my medal today because best piece of jewelry I have. Rocking this all day. It's Tuesday and today we are going to see the Rangers game. It's my first hockey game here in New York City, or first hockey game ever in general. I've never been to see the Hershey Bears or the Wilkes-Barre Penguins, but I'm excited. It'll be my first time seeing MSG with ice. I hope I see a fight tonight. Maybe a tooth comes out. The only player I know is Mika Zibanejad because Danny talks about him all the time. This is my outfit. Wearing red, white, and blue because that's our colors. Comfy jeans. My leather trench. And then I have a jacket underneath to keep me warm because this is just a crop top or tube top, so there's not enough in there.
You ready for the game?
Yes, I'm excited. Are you ready? You've been a few times and you've been in the box.
I'm a veteran by this time.
Yeah, you're a pro. Name 5 players.
Um.
You're not a real fan. Calling you out.
Through with love, I'll never fall again. Said adieu to love, don't ever call again. For
So far, I saw someone go to the timeout box so I can check that off of my hockey list of things I want to see. I also saw a little scrum going on. That was exciting. We're down 1, but there's still 2 periods, so we can come up.
with love, I'll never fall again. Said adieu to love.
Hot dog time. So good. Love, rock and roll. Come take time and dance with me. Do it.
And so I'm through with love.
Oh, they're still fighting. Hold him by the jersey. Get him by the neck. Get him by the neck. Well, we may have lost, but I had a good time for my first hockey game. Did you have a good time?
It was fun. I played like crap though.
Yeah. Maybe the tickets will be even cheaper. Going home now.